The formula for an area of a circle is really interesting. If we were to take a circle and I were to split it up into little pie slices, and I'm going to take these pie slices on the left and I'm going to roll them out. So we've got 1 pie slice, 2 pie slice, 3 pie slice, and 4 pie slices. And then I'm going to take these pie slices on the right and I'm going to roll them out, but I'm going to turn them the other direction. You'll see that we get 1 pie slice, 2 pie slice, 3 pie slice, and 4 pie slices. And if I were to go with smaller and smaller pie slices, this same idea would continue until you end up with this shape here, which is, surprisingly, a parallelogram. Which means the formula for the area of a parallelogram should be the formula for the area of the circle. Well, we know from circles that the distance around the circle is equal to 2 pi times the radius. And the radius is that distance from the center to the edge. We took half of that diameter on the left and right to make the base and to make the 2 bases. So we've got 1 pi times the radius at the bottom. And then the radius of the circle goes from the top of the circle to the bottom. And so when we try and come up with a formula for the area of a circle, the formula for the area of a circle is based on the area of the parallelogram. It's the base, which is pi times r, times the height, which is another r, giving us r squared. And that's why the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. If I've got a circle, pretending that's a perfect circle, and the distance from the center to the edge is 4, we can find the area of that circle is pi times the radius of 4 squared. Well, 4 squared is 16 times pi. And pi is about 3.14. So if we wanted an exact answer, we could say 16 pi. Or we can take 16 times 3.14 and get 50.24 square units is the area of that circle. Let's try one more. Let's try a circle where the distance across the center from one end to the other is 12. Well, the formula for the area of a circle is the pi times the radius squared. The radius is from the center to the edge. It's only halfway across the circle. So if all the way across the circle is 12, halfway would be 6. And so my area formula is pi times the radius of 6 squared. Or 6 squared is 36 times pi for an exact answer. Or we can do 36 times 3.14 and get 113.04. So depending on if the question wants an exact answer, leave pi in there. If it's OK with an estimated answer, pi is approximately equal to 3.14. And then you can put that in your calculator to find the approximate area of the circle.